Good evening, madam. I'm
Okay.
Pavani from TSRJC.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, students. So this is the time to start your session. So let's call Gayatri ma'am. Gayatri ma'am, hand over to you. Please begin.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Very good evening, students. Yes, now let us start with mathematics. So take out your notebook, your pen and pencil. Let us continue with the trigonometry that we did yesterday. Quickly, let us revise the formulas and then we'll go with the sums. All right. From beginning. All right. Fine, students. Yes. So let us quickly sum up about the introduction about the trigonometry. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the relationships between the sides and the angles of triangles. All right. Yes. And you can see here the triangles, and consider a right angled triangle. So you must be knowing about the hypotenuse. All right. All right. So this is always the hypotenuse. This is what is a right angle triangle? A right angle triangle is the one which has 90 degrees, isn't it? Yes. So this is the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? The longest side. All right. Yes. Now let one angle be theta. All right. So we are assuming this to be theta. So the side opposite to theta. So whatever is the side which is opposite to theta is called as the opposite side. And the third side, that is this one, is called as the adjacent side. All right. So this you should always remember, because in trigonometry, you must know about the right angle triangle, and what should be taken as hypotenuse? Always the longest side. And the side which is opposite to theta is called as the opposite side, and the one which is adjacent is called as the adjacent side. All right. Yes. Now consider the ratio of length of opposite side to length of hypotenuse. So this is length of opposite side by length of hypotenuse. So we are considering the right triangles and of different sizes, but with same angle theta. All right. See here. All right. So here, this is one triangle. All right. And see, this is another triangle. Yes. So I'm just trying to highlight so that you can understand. See, this is another triangle. And finally, this is another triangle. So many triangles are there in this. So in all these triangles, the ratios of opposite side to hypotenuse is constant. All right, so this is hypotenuse because the longest side. So not only these triangles, you can draw any number of right triangles with the same angle theta, and the ratio will always be constant. And this ratio is called as the sine of angle theta. All right. So this is simply, you can call it as sine theta. So what is sine theta? The opposite side by hypotenuse. All right. Yes, don't forget that. So the values of the trigonometric ratio sine theta, it depends only on the theta. So let us check some standard values. So sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, where you have sine 0 is 0. So please quickly note down if you have not noted down, because the sums that we are going to do now, using these values only we'll be doing it. All right. Yes. So now what is sine 30? So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And finally, sine 90 is 1. So you don't have to, learn the derivation of all these stuff. You just have to know what is sine 30, what is sine 45, what is sine 60, and what is sine 90, what is sine 0. All right. And next we are going to see the cosine or the cos theta. So cos theta is nothing but the adjacent side by hypotenuse. All right. So you can also call it as cosine, or usually we call it as cos theta. The values of these things depend only on the theta. Now let us check some standard value. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is half. So finally, cos 90 is 0. All right, students. And how much did we tell about sine 90? Sine 90 is 1. All right. Yes. Now, tan theta. So it is called as tangent or tan. All right. Yes. So tan is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Yes. So the value of trigonometric ratio in that tan theta is opposite side by adjacent. So tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3. So tan 90 is not defined. So what do you mean by not defined? How do you write not defined as infinity? Understood? So infinity means it has n number of values. That's a meaning. All right. Yes. Next is cosecant theta. You should always know that cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta. Okay. So secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Understood? So you can actually interchange this. So please listen very carefully. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Similarly, you can write tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta. So secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos. You can also write cos theta is nothing but 1 by secant theta. Like that. Cosecant theta is 1 by sine. So sine theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. So all these things you will be using it to work out your sums. All right. So this is very, very, very important, students. Yes. One second. Let me use a pen. Very, very, very important. Please note down. And how do you learn this? I'll tell you a trick to remember this. All right. So please note it down. If you have not noted down earlier, now you note it down. I'll just teach you a trick to memorize this. See, sine 0 is 0. Okay. And then you have half. So you just have to remember this 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. So sine theta is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and 90 is 1. So just to put this ulta of this. Okay. That is this 1 will come here. This root 3 by 2 will come here. This 1 by root 2 will come here. This 1 by 2, that is half, will come here. This 0 will come here. This is how you should remember. Okay. And in your table, first you will have sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. All right, students. So this also I will teach you how to remember. I have already told you sine is related to cosecant. How? Sine is equal to 1 by cosecant. All right. And I said tan is related to cot. How? Tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta, or vice versa. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Similarly, cos theta is nothing but 1 by secant theta. Okay. So that is how you remember. So first sine, which is related to cosecant. Next cos, above cosecant will be secant. Next tan is cot. This is how you will remember. All right. Now coming to the values. How do you remember the values? So you should know that the values will be from 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. All right. So now 0 is 0. All right. 30 is half. Next you are taking a root, 1 by root 2. Right. And again, this root 2 will become 2, root 3 by 2. And next is 1. So now interchange this. Okay. Bring this here. 1. Bring this root 3 by 2 here. 1 by root 2. Like that, half. And this 0 will come here. All right, students. So you have to just interchange and write. That is how you remember. You should remember this. All right. Now, see the next one. We have already told you tan theta, isn't it? So tan theta, what is tan theta? It is sine by cos. Okay. Sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Now, what is the value of sine? I'll just teach you only for one. Sine theta, sine 30 is half by, what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So now we know that tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. All right. So now you write 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. So 2 will get cancelled. So what is left out is 1 by root 3. That is how you are getting this. Likewise, please do it for 45. Please do it for 60. And see, one thing you should know, students, anything by 1 is that number. See, 1 lakh by 1 is 1 lakh, but anything by 0 is infinity. You should never get 0 in your denominator. All right. So if you get 0 in denominator, then you can call it as undefined. All right. So infinity, n numbers, whatever you call it as. All right. So similarly, now you know tan theta, you have understood. Similarly, cot theta is also like that. Just ulta of this. See, not defined will come here. Root 3 will come here. 1 will come here. 1 by root 3 will come here, 0 will come there. See, you don't have to remember at all. You don't have to by heart at all. Just to know the tricks, you can learn the values. All right. Next is secant theta. So what is secant theta? It is related to cos. So 1 by cos. So 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. That is how you do. All right. Similarly, sin theta. What is 1 by 0? I said no, anything. You should never have 0 in denominator. If you have 0 in denominator, then it is called as undefined. So, you know, cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So 1 by 0 is undefined. All right. So 1 by 2 is 2. That is how you are arriving at this trigonometric ratio table. All right, students. So I hope you all would have understood. Can you put it in the chat box so that I'll get convinced? Yes, students have understood. Anthony. Yes, students, have you understood this? You don't have to by heart the table. You just have to know the tricks. Okay, done. Thank you so much. Let us quickly move to the. All right. So we have already noted about the Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is c square, that is adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. Yes, so these things we already know, and very important is these identities. What are these identities? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, rather sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. Just a second, in this I wanted to say something. So now with this, n number of formulas can be done. So now if you want sin square theta, how do you find out sin square theta? 1 minus this cos square theta. Similarly, what is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. All right. Yes. And you have another identity, secant square minus tan square theta is 1. If you want secant square theta, you can write it as 1 plus tan square theta. You just remember any one formula. With that, you're using your plus and minus, you can bring out the values of the other. Similarly, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. And if you want cosecant square theta, you can write it as 1 plus cot square theta. All right. See, these are the identities. If you have not noted down, please note it down very fast. All right. So, and they have told us secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So you can also write it in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b to a minus b. Whenever we want, we should be able to interchange. All right. Yes. Now, like this, we have tan 90 minus x is cot x. Cosecant 90 degree minus x is secant x. All right. So let us quickly do cos 90 degree minus x is sin x. Cot 90 degree minus x is tan x. Secant 90 degree minus x is cosecant x. I'm sure you would have, all of you would have noted down. Now let us quickly solve some questions. You can put your answers in the chat box. All right, here goes the sums. What is 1 by sin square theta minus cot square theta? Right, so being the first sum, I'll do it for you, and after that, you can manage. I have already told you sin is nothing but 1 by cosecant, isn't it? So what is 1 by sin square theta? It is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. So what is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta? We have an identity that is 1. So your answer must be 1. All right. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is. Understood, students? This is how you have to solve it and give me the answer. All right. Now let's see the next sum. From this, I'm expecting the answers 45 seconds, not more than that can be given to you. Quickly answer it all, very simple based on your identities. If sin theta is 12 by 13, then what is tan theta? Yes. Let's see how many are giving me the answer. All right. Okay, Sai Vardhan, Sharanya. Everyone says option 4. Good. So confident you are. Very good. Let's see. Yes, it is option 4. Excellent. Beautiful. Wonderful. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Right. The explanation is given. I don't think you need any explanation because almost everyone has given me the right answer. All right. Let's move on to the next question. 2 minus tan theta by 2 cosecant theta minus secant theta. The value is dash. Very simple. I can give you a clue. Convert tan theta into sin and cos. All right. So now you'll be able to answer 2 minus sin by cos by 1 by sin minus 1 by cos. Okay. So let's see how many are giving me the answer. 45 seconds. I can give it to you, not more than that, because by now you must have by hearted all the formulas, isn't it? Okay, many says option 4. Saivardhan Murli. Somebody is giving me the choice. It can be 2 or 4. Okay. Choice should not be given to us. Chetan. Okay, fine. Let me just end up because many says option 4. It is option 3. How? Please see the board. Sin tan theta can be written as sin by cos. Cosecant, as I told you, can be written by 1 by sin minus 1 by cos. Take LCM. 2 cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta by 2 cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta cos theta. All right, students. So cos will get cancelled. 2 cos minus sin theta. That will also get cancelled. Just a second. Let me see. All right. See, this is 2 cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. And when this goes, it gets interchanged. Isn't it? Sin theta, cos theta by 2 cos theta minus sin theta, isn't it? So this gets cancelled. One cos will get cancelled. So the leftover is sin theta. That is why your answer is sin theta. Okay. So hope you would have understood. Let's go move on to the next question. Sin theta into secant theta is dash. Is it tan? Is it cot? Is it cosecant? Is it sin theta into cos theta? So they've given you the clue. Convert secant theta into cos theta. Let me see how many are giving me the answers. Many says 1. Sarvesh, Ashwin, Akshaya, Shravanya, Srivardhan, Bamandalapeli, Vishwanath, Sandra. Okay, I give up. All of you are saying it's option 1. It is option 1. Excellent. See the explanation given, sin theta into secant theta is nothing but sin theta into what is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. And we know sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. That is why the answer is tan theta. Very good, students. Let's move on to the next. Sin theta is nothing but, sin theta, the value is half. Then what is the value of tan theta plus cot theta, the whole square? Okay. So here the clue is convert secant into cos. Okay. Do you understand the clue? I'm sure you would have understood. Yes. Quickly work it out and give me not more than 45 seconds can be given to you. Let me see how many are giving me the answers. Sai Charan, please work out by yourself and then give it to me. Even if it's a wrong answer, it's okay. Please learn by your mistakes. I want everyone to answer. It's a very interesting and a very challenging. Sometimes I can say even challenging. To prove it, prove sums, it's really challenging. All right. Shravanya, Vishwanath. Vishwanath says 3. All others are saying 1. Why Vishwanath? Let's see the answer. It is 1. Vishwanath, please check your answer. Let's see the explanation. Sin theta is nothing but half. That is, what is half? What of sin theta is half, which means sin 30 is half. You understood? So sin 30 is half. So now tan theta plus cot theta, the whole square. All right. So tan 30 plus cot 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 plus cot 30 is root 3, isn't it? So this you should know the value. So you would have learned the value. So just 1 by root 3 plus root 3. You can take LCM or you can just use the identity a plus b the whole square. Using that identity, if you do, you get 16 by 3. So that is why the option is 1. All right, students? Yes, those who have made mistake, please correct yourself. All right, with this, let's very quickly move on to the next one. Root of 1 plus cot square theta. Yes, is it cosecant square theta? Is it 1 plus cot theta? Is it secant theta or is it cosecant theta? All right, so here one option, one identity can be used, which is given to you as a hint. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Yes, so quickly do it and give me the answer. Let's see how many, 45 seconds I can give it to you, but not more than that. Already the answers are start pouring. Many says option 4. I'm very happy you all are working it out and then giving me the answer. Everybody says option 4 except one person. Except one. Yes, Bamandapalli Sunny. You're saying option 3. Why? All right, let's see. It is option 4, cosecant theta. How? What is 1 plus cot square theta? See, just a second. Let me explain. You know, we have an identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, isn't it? So what is cosecant square theta? 1. When this goes that side, it becomes plus cot square theta, isn't it? So 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. And when it comes out of the root, it becomes cosecant theta. That is how you're ending up with this answer. Always don't forget the 3 identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. And cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. With this, you can interchange, bring it to any form and get the derive at the answer. All right, let's move on to the next question. If secant theta is 13 by 12, then what is sin theta? Is it 5 by 13, 5 by 12, 12 by 5, 12 by 13? All right, so here he's saying you should use the Pythagoras theorem. All right, use the Pythagoras theorem and find the answer. Yes, I don't think I have to explain this. It's very simple. Let's see, before I explain, let me see how many are giving me the answers. Option 2. Many says option 1, option 2. Why this confusion? I don't know. I want an unanimous answer, students. Now, there's a tug of war between option 2 and 1. The names are running. I'm not able to read the names. It is option 1. How? Please see the board. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side, isn't it? So that you should know first. What is hypotenuse here? It is, let me use a pen. It is 13, isn't it? By what is adjacent? 12. So it is 13 by 12. What is it they're asking us? Sin theta. What is sin theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. How do you find out the opposite side? Using the Pythagoras theorem. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Isn't it? So that is how you are arriving at 5. So 5 by 13. Okay. Please don't have confusions. You should know these formulas. All right. Let's move on to the next question. If secant 2A is equal to cosecant A minus 27 degree, where 2A is an acute angle, then the measure of angle A is dash. Yes, the question is very clear. Secant 2A is cosecant A minus 27 degree. And what is 2A? 2A is an acute angle. Then what is the measure of angle A? All right, let's see whether anybody is able to give me the answer for this. Malesh, Shruti. Okay, very few. Okay, many. Now it's really pouring. Navneet, Avinash, Akshaya. All right, yes. Let's see. See, the answer is 39. How? See the explanation given. What is secant 2A? It is nothing but cosecant A minus 27, because that is what it is given in the sum, isn't it? So secant 2A is nothing but secant 90 minus theta. What is theta here? A minus 27 degree. All right. So now what is 2A? 2A is nothing. You just remove this. So you get 2A is equal to 90 minus A. And this is minus into A is minus A. Minus into minus is plus. With this, 3A is 117 and A is 39 degree. Is it clear? See how simple the sum is. The only thing is you need to know the formulas. All right. Excellent to those who have really understood and gave me the right answers. All right, let's move on to the next question. The value of cosecant square 55 degree minus cot square 55 degree is dash. Yes, I have already told you. I'm giving you one clue. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Now with this, tell me the answers. Let's see how many are. Yes. Many. I know you all are very smart. So you all have understood and almost everybody is giving me the right answer as 1. Yes. See, the thing is you are treating this as theta. That's all. Okay. This is theta. That's it. All right. Good. Excellent. See. Let's move on to the next question. 1 minus secant square A by cosecant square A minus 1 is what? Yes. So use the formula. What is 1 minus secant square A? Okay. Very simple. If you want, I can give you a clue. By then others quickly tell me the answer. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Now with this, find out what is secant square A. One clue. Next, cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. With this, find out what is cot square A minus 1. Yes, I'm sure your 45 seconds is done. Let me see how many are giving me the answer. Sai Vardhan, Avinash, Kalyani. Yes, Sandhya. Okay, I know this will take time for you to work, but nothing can be done. I cannot give you more time. If I give you more time, other sums we cannot cover it. Sarvesh, Navaneet, all right, all right, all right. Let's see how many, what is the right answer and whether your answers are right. It is minus tan power 4a. All right, you see, you can see here, 1 minus secant square A is tan minus tan square A. Cosecant square A minus 1 is cot square A. So minus tan square A by, you can write cot square A is 1 by tan square A, and when these the denominator goes to the numerator, it becomes minus tan power 4a. All right, excellent. To those who gave me the right answer is option 2. All right, now let's move on to the next. Cot theta is nothing but 20 by 21. Then what is the value of cosecant theta? All right, so quickly give me the answers. Is it option 1, 2, 3, or 4? Cot is given. So now you need to find out the relation. See, if such sums are coming, then how do you find out what is the, how do you find out, how you should find out the relationship between cot and cosecant, okay? So you know the relation as cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, isn't it? So now I have given you the clue. I'm sure you must be able to do it. Quickly do it and give me the answer. Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. Sharanya. Somebody say something. Ma'am, you are something. I don't know. Ashwin. Harshita. Answer is 34. Okay, let's see. Sarvesh. Rohini. I'm sorry, many names I'm not able to read because it's really running. Many are, almost all are giving me the answers. So it is running up. Okay, fine, good. I'm very happy that all of you are trying. So the answer is 29 by 2. I'm very happy. Many of you gave me option 3 as the answer. How? You can see here the hypotenuse. Okay, you can also using this. You can also do using this, or you can also substitute the value and get the answer. Okay, so cot theta is nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. All right, so which is 20 by 21. What is cosecant theta? It is hypotenuse by opposite side. All right, students, or you can also use this formula. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Okay, so now what is cosecant square theta? It is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta. All right, so take LCM and get the root and find out the cosecant theta. That is one way of doing. The other way of doing is using the Pythagoras theorem. All right. Yes, see the next question. The maximum value of sine theta is dash. What is the maximum value of sine theta? It's really interesting question. Understand the question is maximum. Okay, so what is maximum? I don't think you need any time for you to, to work out and then give me the answer. Let's see how many are giving me the answers. Okay. Option 3, option 3, option 3. Many says option 3. Yes. Let's see. It should be option 3 because the maximum is only 1. Isn't it? So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is also less than 1. Root 3 by 2 is also less than 1. Half is nothing but 0.5. Isn't it? Yes. Excellent. Good thinking. See the next question. In triangle ABC, if angle B is 90 degree, AB is 12 centimeter and BC is 9 centimeter, then find out the value of cos C. All right. So I hope you would have understood the sum, which is very simple. Use a Pythagoras theorem. formula and then give me the answer. I'll give you 45 seconds. Your time starts now. Yes. By then, let me see whether I can. Okay. Let me see how many are giving me the answer. Many has started giving me the answer. Good. Jessica, Malesh, Navaneet, Avinash. All right. Sri Charan. No, sorry. Sai Charan. All right. Fine. Good. Let's see. Let's quickly move on. It is option 1. As all of you told, it is 9 by 15. Yes. So I'm very happy that you all don't want me to work out. Before that, you're giving me the answers. So as I told you, it is 90 degree. All right. So this is 90 degree. And your hypotenuse, which is the longest one, is 15. How do you find out that? Root of 12 square plus root of 12 square plus 9 square. All right. So you will get the value as 15. Right. Because BC is 9. AB is 12. So now your work is to find out the hypotenuse. Now you have to find out the value of cos C. What is cos C? It is adjacent side. Which one is adjacent side here? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is opposite. All right? Yes, excellent. See the next question. If tan theta is 7 by 8, you have to give me the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. I can give you a clue. You can either use a Pythagoras theorem or you can simplify this and do it. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is nothing but a square minus b square. So 1 square minus sine square theta. What is 1 square minus sine square theta? Cos square theta. And similarly, a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? It is sine square theta. All right. So you have numerator and denominator. Now tell me the value. So I'm sure you must have found out by now. Let me see. Option 3. Many says option 3. Yes. Good. Excellent. All right. Let's see the answer before we go up. It is 64 by 49, option 3. Please see the explanation. How? Yes. So, as I told you, cos square theta by sine square theta. What is cos by sine? It is nothing but cot. What is cot? 1 by tan square theta. So, 1 by what is tan square? 7 square by 8 square. So, it is 64 by 49. Okay, students, very simple, excellent. Almost all of you gave me the same answer. Let's move on to the next question. The value of secant 40 degree plus tan 40 degree into secant 40 degree minus tan 40 degree is dash. We know only 45, isn't it? But here they've given us 40. So use the identity and give me the answer. Quickly use identity. 45 seconds is given to you. Yes, let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. My God, already the answers have started coming. Jessica, Malesh, Sai Vardhan, Avinash, Sunny, Ashwik. Okay, very good. Excellent. I'm very happy that all of you are working and giving me the answer. I'm sure this is a very interesting chapter and we'll never feel bored. You know, all the time we feel like only doing trigonometry, isn't it? Yes. So many of you gave me the option as 2, which is 1. Let's see how. Secant 40 degree plus tan 40 degree into secant 40 degree minus tan 40 degree, which is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So we know one identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. That's it. Very simple, isn't it? All right. Excellent. See the next question. If secant theta, 1 second, let me pull out this here because. Oh, 1 second. Yes. If secant theta is equal to 3k and tan theta is equal to 3 by k, then what is the value of k square minus 1 by k square? All right. So let me put it into slideshow. All right. So now how do you find out the value of this? Since the answer is already displayed, I cannot ask you this question. The answer is 1 by 9. How? Secant theta is equal to 3k. So what is tan theta? It is 3 by k. All right. Whatever is given in your sum. So what is k square minus 1 by k square? It is nothing but secant theta by 3 the whole square minus tan theta by 3 the whole square. When you take LCM of this, you get 1 by 9 into secant square theta minus tan square theta. We know the identity of secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So 1 by 9 into 1 is 1 by 9. All right, fine. Now see the next one. Secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1. Yes, you need to give me the answer. Is it option 1, 2, 3 or 4? 45 seconds is given to you. Yes, choose your option. Let me see the chat box. Who's going to give me the answer? Yes, it's Sai Vardhan, Amulya, Sandhya, Navaneet, Cherry, Nani. Answer is 3. Many says 3. Avinash. Please work it out and then give me the answer. You should not put, select the answer just out of choice. All right, let's see the answer. It is option 3, 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. How? We know secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta, isn't it? So 1 by cos A minus 1 by 1 by cos A plus 1. Take LCM. So what happens when you take LCM? When you take LCM, you get 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A by cos A. So you can cancel 1 cos A by another cos A. How? 1 minus cos A by cos A. When you interchange this goes up cos A by 1 plus cos A. So this gets cancelled. So finally you land up with 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Very good. Students, you've really tried and you're giving me the answer. Good. Please do continue. See the next question. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is dash. Is it option 1? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta? Is it option 2? 1 minus sin theta by cos theta? Is it option 3? 1 minus cos theta by sin theta? Or is it option 4? Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta? All right. So I can give you a clue. What is the relation between sin and cos? That you can actually find out and give me the try to do the sum. All right. So quickly do the answer and tell me, put it in the chat box. Let's see how many are already giving me. Reciprocal. Okay. Good. Fine. Sandhya, Navaneet. Please work out and then give me the answer. Bhavani, Harshita, Chintu. Okay, Rohini. Fine. Let me give you the answer. It is nothing but 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. How? You are just going to take the conjugate. Yes, so here I just wanted to introduce a term called conjugate. It is CONJUGATE. What do you mean by conjugate? For, sums like this, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So when you take conjugate, it means that you either take the numerator or denominator, the sign will vary. Here you have 1 plus cos theta. So here you should conjugate means 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So in standard 10, many sums only by using the conjugation, you could have derived at your proof sums, isn't it? So it is sin theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So this is a plus b, a minus b. What is a plus b, a minus b? It is a square minus b square. That is 1 minus cos square theta. So what is What is 1 minus cos square theta? It is nothing but sin square theta. Okay. So sin theta into 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. So it is, you're just cancelling 1 sin theta here and 1 sin theta here. So you have 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So that is how you are arriving at option 3. All right, students, it's very simple. Only thing is you just have to use the formulas. All right. And please always, wherever it's possible, use this conjugate. Okay. All right. See the next question. Let me bring this down. All right. See, if P, Q, and R are interior angles, okay, triangle PQR, then tan of P plus Q by 2 is equal to dash. All right. So the sum is very clear. Is it option A, sine of R by 2? Is it option 2, cos of R by 2? Is it option 3, cot of R by 2? Or is it option 4, tan of R by 2? Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. Please work out and then give me the answers. Yes, answers are really pouring now. Sai Vardhan, Avinash, Sandhya, Sunny, Murali, Sirish, Bhavani, Ashwik, Sirisha. All right, everybody are giving me the answer. So let's go with the key. The answer is 3. That is cot of R by 2. How? See here. P plus Q plus R is nothing but 180 degree. All right. So P by 2 plus Q by 2 plus R by 2. That is P plus Q plus R by 2 will be 90 degree, isn't it? So that is why you're writing the second step as P by Q, Q by Q, R by Q. So now what is R by Q? It is nothing but 90 degree minus R minus 2. So what is tan of P plus Q by 2? That is tan of 90 degree minus R by 2. What is tan of 90 degree minus theta? It is nothing but cot theta. That is cot of R by 2. All right? Yes. Please use the formulas and then give me the answers. It is always, good that every day you should just revise these answers. Keep your, revise these formulas. Keep your formulas next to you when during the class. And when you work out the sum by yourself, don't see the formulas. Every day you please go through your formulas. All right? Yes. See the next question. If sine of x minus 20 degree is equal to cos of 3x minus 10 degree, then what is the value of x? Very simple. I'm sure many of you must be giving me the answers now. Let's see. Okay, I'm giving you 45 seconds. I know it does take time. All right, but not more than 45 seconds. Let's see. Answers are coming. Yes. All right. So with this, we'll finish off max. So quickly give me the answer because Avanti ma'am is waiting for you all. So if sine of x minus 20 degrees, cos of 3x minus 10 degree, what is x? All right, let's see. It is 30. How? Because sine x minus 20 degree is nothing but cos of 3x minus 10 that is given in the sum. What is x minus, sine of x minus 20 degree is nothing but sine of 90 minus theta, isn't it? So you can just take the value alone. X minus 20 is 90 minus 3x. Minus into minus will become plus, that is 10. So x minus 20 is 100 minus 3x. So 4x is 120, x is 30. That is how you have arrived at 30. All right, students? Yes. So excellent. Today, many of you, almost all of you gave me correct answers for all the questions. Few made mistakes. Those who have made mistakes, please do rectify. And all these identities and formulas in this trigonometry is very important. Please note down. And any doubts you have, you are always welcome. Please WhatsApp to our number 96421 5226 and 5227. Please tell about our classes to your friends, your teachers, your neighbors, so that they can also get benefited by this. And next, I hand it over to Avanti ma'am. Before that, let me stop sharing. All right, Avanti ma'am, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, children. So today we'll just see another important life process, that is excretion, children. So please be with your textbooks, your biology textbooks. First, we shall discuss a little topic. Then we'll see a few questions from the topic. So what is excretion basically? It is an important process which is meant for removal of unwanted waste, metabolic waste from the body. So this process, see, after transportation, so energy will be transported to all the cells of the organism. Then after that, what happens? Every cell will be generating some metabolic waste. So this metabolic waste have to be eliminated from the body. If not, what happens? The complete organism body or the complete cell gets toxic. So in order to remove this metabolic waste, okay, so we are provided with an important life process, that is excretion. So what is the importance of this excretion to an organism? See, here it is given, living beings need energy for their survival. So we know photosynthesis is an anabolic process. It is an anabolic process. It just takes all the basic raw materials and synthesizes. That is, autotrophs could able to synthesize the basic carbohydrates. Then after that, what is happening? After synthesizing the food molecule, so a heterotroph will be taking that food from an autotroph. Or even autotrophs could able to break those food molecules by the catabolic process. Here the catabolic process is respiration. And then after that, what happens? This energy is being transported to all the cells of the human body or an organism. Then after metabolic activities, what are metabolic activities? It is nothing but some chemical activities which are going at the cellular level. We call them as metabolism or metabolic activities. So what do this metabolism refers? Metabolism means, children, simply the chemical activities or the chemical reactions which are happening at the cellular level. That is oxidation and reduction reactions. So after this chemical activities or metabolic activities in a cell, every cell will be generating some metabolic waste. So mostly metabolic waste exists in different forms. So here in textbook, children, they have given how these metabolic activity, like the materials or the metabolic products will be existing. Mostly it is in the form of urea, uric acid, ammonia, nitrogenous waste. All these are actually nitrogenous waste. You can just, its excretion is a term which is coined for all the biological process which is involved in the separation of waste from the body. So it is a Latin word, ex means out and crine means a shift. So it is given, you can just underline, children. And as I told you, and the importance of excretion, why we have to excrete. As I told you, the body gets toxic. The complete organism will be turning into toxic. Here, the importance of excretion is also to maintain ionic balance in the body and also water balance in the body and to maintain normal body temperature. For all these processes which have to or which should takes place, which should happen in a normal way, then we require our organism require excretion. See, as I told you, so these are the metabolic waste, children: ammonia, urea, uric acid, some bile pigments, and excess salts. Mostly all these are nothing but, children, nitrogenous waste. Every organism have evolved with a particular excretory product. Mostly if you take in birds, aves, uric acid is the important excretory product. And if you take some annelids, arthropods, so their ammonia is the waste product. And mostly mammals, we excrete urea. So like that, every organism have its own metabolic product, which are meant or which are particular to that organism. And coming to the excretory system, children, what do actually excretory system made up of? And you can see here some of the reports. Okay, analysis of the blood is an activity, and the report of the urine analysis. You can just go through this, and you have to go through these. Basically, children, they have given the salts, the basic salts which are present in the nitrogenous waste or in the urine. Okay, you may also get the number in the MCQs or in the exam, what you are writing, the competitive exam. Then, if you take, we are now going to discuss about the excretory system in human body. So excretory system, or it is also called urinary tract system. So majorly, we have a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, bladder and urethra. So these are the parts of the excretory system. So majorly, kidneys are the excretory organs here. And these kidneys are designed in such a way, children, here every kidney could able to accommodate millions of nephrons. So here nephrons are the structural units of kidneys where actually blood is filtered. As we have studied in transportation about alveoli. So alveoli are the cells which are existing in lungs where the exchange of gases will be happening. So there in the alveoli, what it is doing? Purification of blood is done, children. Purification of blood means removal of the metabolic product that is in the form of gaseous waste, carbon dioxide. But here the kidneys are concerned with the filtration of the blood. They remove all the nitrogenous waste from the blood and only the pure blood which has been removed with all this nitrogenous waste will be entering into the lungs for its further purification. They remove only the gaseous waste, but major nitrogenous waste will be removed from the body through nephrons. So nephrons are the structural units of kidneys. So very important, children. LS of kidney also you have been given in your textbook. So here we have a pair of kidneys. And this is a longitudinal section of the kidney, the complete internal structure of the kidney. We have a pair of bean-shaped kidneys on either sides of the body. It is reddish brown structure and it is found in the abdominal cavity attached to dorsal body. And here if you take right kidney is slightly present lower to the left kidney because on the right side, on the right part of the human body, we have liver. So because of that liver accommodation, we can see right kidney slightly tilted. It is not equal. Right and left kidney, if you take, they are not placed equal in the human body because on the right part we have liver. It is a very important question also. Then you have some measurements, children, about the length and width of the kidneys. Please go through that. The size of kidney is 10 centimeters in length and 5 to 6 centimeters in breadth and thickness it is given. And as I told you, the position of right kidney is lower or slightly tilted to it is not equal to the left kidney because on the right side we have liver. So liver will be pushing the right kidney a little lower to left kidney. And we have the blood vessels which brings respective deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. So here we have renal artery and renal vein. So here renal artery will be bringing all the oxygenated blood. So this oxygenated blood has nitrogenous waste. Of course, it is added with oxygen, but it has nitrogenous waste. So that nitrogenous waste have to be removed from the blood. So that work is done in the nephron. And renal vein will be carrying the deoxygenated blood. So this is the complete excretory system of the human body showing all the parts of the excretory system. And coming to internal structure of the kidney, longitudinal section of kidney, if you take the outer part is called cortex and the inner part is called, children, medulla. And as I told you, each kidney could accommodate some millions of nephrons. The number is 1.3 to 1.8 million nephrons. And these million nephrons are actually microscopic. So each nephron, and actually children, a human body could able to excrete 18 liters of urine per day. 18 liters of urine per day. But in that 18 liters, only 1 or 2 liters we could able to excrete from the body. The rest of the material or the rest of that urine is reabsorbed into the, or rest of that material or the waste is reabsorbed into the blood circulation. So you can imagine how much work a nephron does in our body. So that much amount of material will be reabsorbed into the blood circulation. That is the importance of nephron, children. And coming to the structure of nephron, very important, we have Malpighian body and renal tubule. So the Malpighian body has Bowman's capsule and it has a network of blood capillaries which are called glomerulus. So actually glomerulus, the filtration will be starting in the glomerulus part, which is a network of blood capillaries. You can go through this, children. This glomerulus has like the squamous epithelial cells. Those are called podocyte cells. And this is the structure of the nephron, children. You can go through. And this is the internal structure of the kidney. And renal tubule has three parts. One is the first convoluted tubule or PCT, or it is also called proximal convoluted tubule. Then we have distal convoluted tubule and the collecting duct. So whatever the material after getting filtered, the blood is getting partially filtered in the Malpighian body by glomerulus, and now that blood will be entering into the renal tubule. Now, first part where major reabsorption of glucose, amino acids, required salts, ions will be happening in the PCT. Then it passes into the loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is a U-shaped structure. It is having only the function of passing urine from PCT to DCT. There is no reabsorption in the loop of Henle. Then now that filtrate will be moving into the second convoluted tubule called distal convoluted tubule or DCT. In the DCT, actually urine formation takes place. The major reabsorption will be happening and all the bile pigments will be added in the DCT, where the color of urine will be changed to yellowish color, and here major filtration secretion of urine will be happening in the DCT, and that filtrate, that urine will be moving. Now we call it as a urine. Until that, we should call them as a filtrate, primary filtrate and secondary filtrate. And after getting completely filtered, that filtrate, now it will be added with some bile pigments and the complete color will be turned into yellowish, and now we call it as a urine. Now that urine will be poured into the collecting duct, and this collecting duct will be opening directly into the ureter. Ureter will be collecting all the urine from either side, from right and left kidneys, and that will be poured into the bladder. And bladder will be storing urine for some time. And whenever the volume of the urine increases, as it is a muscular, then we'll be ejecting out through urethra. So again, it is controlled. Here there are different valves which controls. We can control urine ejection, children. And see, there are 4 steps. Glomerular filtration. Then the second one is a tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, and the formation of concentrated urine. So in these 4 ways, we can see the formation of urine. As I told you in a brief, I have briefed it out. It is given in this form. See, ureter, as I told you, that will be poured into the ureter, and bladder will be storing for a while, and that will be collected. See, the storage capacity of the bladder is 300 to 800 milliliters. Okay, very important. These are the numbers. So please specifically given number, children. Please underline that. You may get that. And the process of ejecting urine is called actually micturition. It is called micturition. And it is again, we could able to control it. We could able to control. Okay. So composition of urine is also very important, children. Please underline that. What is the composition of urine basically? Okay. Then after that, see, urea contains 96% of water. We have 96% of water, 2.5. Please underline this, children. 96% of water, 2.5% of the organic waste, like you can see creatinine and water-soluble vitamins, hormones, urea, and 1.5% of inorganic waste or the inorganic solutes like sodium chloride, etc. And mostly water will be reabsorbed, children. Water will be reabsorbed in the complete renal tubule part, PCT, DCT. And you can see here. And when there is a failure of kidney because of organ failure, or if the kidney has any disease, if it is affected with any disease, then the complete filtration process will be affected. Then it is replaced with the artificial process. That artificial process, we call it as dialysis or hemodialysis. So here majorly patient will be connected with a dialysis machine, and all the blood which have to be filtered will be poured into this apparatus, and this apparatus will remove only the nitrogenous waste. The major disadvantage of this hemodialysis is, children, of course it removes all the nitrogenous waste, but there is no reabsorption of water. Reabsorption will not happen. Only they remove all the nitrogenous waste. And that filtrate again will be circulated, or it will be moved into the patient's body. And it will be added with some anticoagulant so that there is no coagulation of the blood cells. This is very important. Then also we have plant excretion. How do plants could able to excrete? A little topic is given. Organ donation, all these things are given. And not only kidneys, even we could able to excrete. There are some excretory products in the form of sweat. Okay, and as I told you, lungs could able to excrete only the gaseous waste from the blood cells or from the body. And you can see here, large intestine, and how the excretion takes place in some organisms. Mostly, as we are highly evolved organisms, as we are mammals, we have an organ system which is performing the function of filtration. Then what about unicellular organisms? They do not have any excretory organs like us. But by simple diffusion process and through plasma membrane, they could able to excrete the unwanted waste. And in the process of evolution, some organs have evolved or some cells have been specialized in few organisms, which is given here, children, like protozoans by simple diffusion process, poriferans and cylinderates. This is the first and second phyla in the animal kingdom. So here water will be bathing. So they are mostly aquatic. So water, water has dissolved oxygen. Okay. So water will be moving through the complete body, and the water will be takes all the excretory products, all the waste from the body. So they are not evolved with any specialized cells. The specialized cells have been formed from the third phylum of the animal kingdom, that is Platyhelminthes. Here they have the flattened body, like you can take tapeworms and all, even nematodes, annelids, arthropods. They have their own adaptation. They have their own organs or the cells which are involved in the function of excretion or in the process of excretion. You can take kidneys. Kidneys, majorly, they are the excretory organs in highly evolved organisms like mammals. And even, see, how do plants excrete? Plants also excrete unwanted materials. Mostly, if you take during the process of photosynthesis, children, oxygen is the byproduct. So that oxygen which have been evolved in the process of photosynthesis will be used for the respiration process. And also plants could able to excrete some metabolic waste, like we can wax, we can take some renins. So like that plant could able to excrete. And mostly, like you can see here, raphides, some chemicals will be coming out of the bark of the stem. So like this, plants could able to excrete the unwanted materials. Okay. So this is all about the topic discussion, children. And now I am going to share some questions from the topic. Okay. Yes. Yeah, children. You could answer to me, children, directly to me in the chat box. Okay. Please type your message. Message me in the chat box to Jatadhara. Yes. Okay. So I want answers, children. You are giving very good. The excretory unit in the human excretory system. What is, I was telling you, am I right? What are the major units where actually the filtration of the blood will be done? Or what are the structural and functional units of kidneys? Yes. I'm getting answers. Very good. Yes, children. Very good. It is nephron. Very good. Most of you have given the correct answer. Chintu, Mallesh, Anthony. Very good. Nephron, children. Very, very important question. Nephron. Okay. Yes. Very good. Then the excretory organ in cockroach. So cockroach is an arthropod. What is the excretory organ? In the tabular form it is given. You can check there. Malphizian tubules, raphides, ureter, nephridia. What are the excretory organs in cockroach? Cockroach are the arthropods, insects. So what are the respiratory organs there? Yes, Malphizian body. Ashvik has given the correct answer. Avinash has given the correct answer. Very good. Anthony, you are giving multiple answers. Yes. Harshita has given the correct answer. Very good. Chintu has given the correct answer. Bhavani has given. Very good. So it is Malphizian tubule. Malphizian tubules are the excretory organs in cockroach. Very good. Then, which of the following is the correct path taken by urine in our body? What is the correct path? From where to where the urine will be flowing? Kidney to ureter, urethra, bladder. Kidney to ureter, bladder, urethra. Kidney to bladder, then to urethra and ureter. Kidney, bladder, ureter, urethra. What's the answer, children? Yes. Yes. Kidneys, ureter, bladder, and then urethra. So it is option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Anthony, Vardhan, Shiva, Sandra. Very good. Most of you have given the correct answer. It is 2 children. 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, 2 is the correct answer. Yes. Then malphizian tubules are the excretory organs in. See, in the other way, we have seen the previous question. They have given the name of the organism and the excretory organ. Here they have given the excretory organ and you have to choose the organism where it is acting as excretory organ. Earthworm, housefly, flatworm, hen. See, earthworm is a annelida. Housefly is a arthropod, insect. Flatworm, it is belonging to nematode. And hen is a bird or it's an animal. So what's the answer? So you have to choose like this. Yes, Avinash has given the correct answer. Bhavani, Harshita. Yes. Yes. Housefly. Yes. Insect. So insect will be having malphizian body, children. So housefly is the correct answer. Very good. Next. Major component of urine. So they are not mentioning here the organism. So the major component of urine is what? Urea, sodium, water, creatine. What's the answer, children? Yes. Very good. Yes. As I told you, majorly water reabsorption will be happening in the renal tubular part. So it is water, children. Yes. Ashvik has given, Antonia has given the correct answer. Yes. Very good. Very good. Sai Vardhan, Avinash. Yes. Sandra, Gadwal. Yes. Very good. Gadwal district. Yes. Good children. Shiva. So it is water, children. So water will be more reabsorbed. But this mechanism is completely absent in the artificial dialysis. That is artificial removal of nitrogenous waste. Okay. Yes, it is water. Then special excretory organs are absent in. So among these does not have special excretory organs. Birds, amoeba, sponges, 1 and 2. Birds are highly evolved. Amoeba is a primitive organism which is unicellular. Sponges, they belong to Porifera, first phylum. 1 and 2. Option 1 and 2. So you have to give answer now. Yes. Birds are not having an excretory organs. Then how do they excrete uric acid? Sponges? No. Avinash has given the correct answer. Chintu has given the correct answer. Yes. Yes. Jessica has given the correct answer. Shiva has given the correct answer. It is children amoeba. So amoeba are unicellular. They are not having any specialized organs or specialized body designed to excrete the unwanted waste. By simple diffusion process, with the help of cell membrane, they could able to remove all the nitrogenous waste. Not nitrogenous waste, metabolic waste. Okay. So it is amoeba. Okay. Even amoeba, you can take paramecium, all protozoans, mostly all protozoans. Then which of the following hormone has direct impact on urination? So which among these hormones will be controlling the amount of urine formation and how much amount of urine is ejected out of the body? All these are hormonally controlled. Which hormone controls them? Adrenal. Adrenal is a gland. So you can go for odd one out. Vasopressin, follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, and estrogen. So if you take FSH and estrogen, these are the female sex hormones. So you can go for only one option. What is that? Yes, Antonia has given. Ashvik, Avinash, Sunny. Very good. It is vasopressin, children. It is also called dilating hormone. Okay, vasopressin. Vasopressin is the correct answer. Yes. Then amber color to urine is due to. Amber color, that kind of yellowish color is given due to which pigment? Urochrome, bilirubin, biliverdin, chlorides. What's the answer, children? So it is given in your textbook, as I told you. Thank you. My teaching is good. Thank you. So what is that? That amber color, yellowish color to the urine is because of which pigment? Yes, very good. Very good. Khalifa, it's not 2, Nana. 2 kaadu. Okay. Sunny 2. It's not 2. Avinash has given the correct answer. Shiva, no, it's not 4, dear. It is 1. Urochrome. Okay, because of urochrome, that yellowish color is applied, or that imparts yellowish color to the urine. Okay, it is urochrome, children. Urochrome is the answer. Yes. Next, sequence of urine formation in nephron is. So to answer this, you have to study about the complete structure and function of nephron. Glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion. 4 steps are given now, just now we discussed. Tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, glomerular filtration. Glomerular secretion, glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption. Tubular reabsorption, concentration of urine and tubular secretion. 4 steps are there, but here only 3 are given. So you have to give the correct answer. What's the answer, children? Yes. Yes. 1. Very good. Very good. Lahari, Chintu, Rakesh, Avinash, Harshita, Amulya, Hartik, Sandra, Sai Teja. Very good, children. Very good. You are following. Yes, you are concentrating in the class. Very good. It is first one, children, glomerular filtration. So Malpighian body. In the Malpighian body has what we can call a ball-like structure called a capsule-like structure called, what is that? What is that? It is called Malpighian body has glomerulus. Okay. Then in that it's a collection of blood capillaries called glomerulus. Okay. From there, first it is tubular filtration, then reabsorption, then secretion, and then the last one is concentration of urine that will be happening in the DCT. So it is first one, children, option 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. We'll move to next question. Most glucose molecules are reabsorbed in which part of nephron? PCT, DCT, collecting duct, or loop of Henle? You can go for 4th option, odd one out, because loop of Henle is not having any reabsorption. It just passes the filtrate from PCT to DCT. So you have to check only the first 3 options. Yes. Answer B, please, children. Yes, very good. Very good. Jessica, 1. Very good. Shivani, PCT. Yes, Sunny, Anthony, Ashwik. Yes, children, absolutely correct. It is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. The primary amino acids, glucose, water, mostly getting reabsorbed in the PCT. Okay, it is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, or first convoluted tubule. It is PCT. Then, all of the following belong to the urinary system except, odd one out, urethra, ureter, bladder, prostate. Very, very easy question, children. Very easy question. Yes. It is very good. Rakesh, Bhavani, Amulya. Amulya, it's not 3, Nana. Chintu, Anthony. Yes. It is, children, prostate glands. Prostate glands are not part of excretory system. Okay. They belong to a different organ system. It is prostate glands. Next. Kidneys. What do kidneys do? They regulate blood volume. They control blood pressure. They control pH of the body. All of the above. What is the major role of kidney in the human body? Okay, I want answer. Yes. Sandra, very good. Ashwik, yes, very good. No, it's not Shivani, it's not 1. Yes, Sunny, it's not 1. Jessica, yes, is correct answer. Yes. Yes, 4 children. 4 is the correct answer. All of them are controlled by kidneys. Like they regulate blood volume, they control blood pressure, and also they control pH. They maintain pH of the body. Ionic concentration of the body. Ionic balance will be maintained by the kidneys. Okay, very important. Yes, it is all the above, children. Next. Dark colored outer zone of the kidney is called. What is that? It has 2 parts, outer part and inner part. I was telling you this before, few minutes back. Okay, that is, yes. Very good. Shivani, Anthony. Yeah, I want answer. Yes. Yes, children, I want answer. Okay. Yes. It is, children, cortex. Cortex is the answer. Okay. The outer part is cortex and the inner part is medulla. Okay. It is cortex. Cortex is the answer. Next. The most poisonous of all waste products of metabolism. So which among the following is the most poisonous waste in the organism? Urea, uric acid, ammonia, and biliverdin. Biliverdin is a pigment. So you can go for odd one out. You have to check only 1, 2, 3 options. You have to check only 1, 2, 3 options. It is, what's the answer? No, it's not 2, Sai Teja. It's not 2 or 1. It is ammonia, children. Ammonia is a poisonous waste. It's the most dangerous poisonous waste, ammonia. Okay, ammonia is the answer. Next, after having lunch or dinner, one can feel to pass urine because of what? Stomach pressure on the bladder, solid become liquid, water content in the food material is more, or because of the sphincter relaxation. So why we'll be having that kind of sensation? Why? What's the answer? What's the answer, children? Because of the, yes, Malesh, it's not 4. No. Yes. Anthony, yes, you are right. Of course, you are right. Yes, it is 3, children. 3, option 3. Because of the water content in the food material, we feel that, or we have that sensation. It is water content in the food material. Okay. Next, part of the nephron that exists in outer zone of kidney. So outer zone of kidney has what? Cortex. So what do cortex do, or what's the role of it? Is dark color, no? So that dark color is because of what actually? So it has which part of nephron? Loop of Henle, PCT, DCT, Bowman's capsule. It's a logical question. You can take it as a logical question. You have to go, you have to be thorough with the structure of nephron as well as internal structure of kidney. If you know, then you could able to answer. What's the answer? Yeah, very good. Most of you are giving. Hartik has given the correct answer. Shiva, it's not 3. It is loop of Henle, because of loop of Henle. It is loop of Henle. Okay, next. Which of the following substances can be eliminated from blood by tubular secretions? So by tubular secretions, what elements or what ions can be eliminated from the body? Potassium ions, hydrogen ions, ammonium ions, and all the above. These ions are eliminated from the body. Potassium, hydrogen, ammonium, all the above. What's the answer, children? Yes, Shivani, Anthony, Avinash, Rakesh, Jessica. Yes, these people have given the correct answer. Shiva. It is all the above. All of them are removed from the blood. Okay, all the above. Next, the structure that connects a kidney to bladder is what? Kidney to bladder. You should know the structure of excretory system for this. Ureter, urethra, pelvis, collecting duct. What's the answer? Yes, ureter. Yes, very good. Very good. Avinash, Anthony, Amulya, Siddha, Sai Teja, Shruti. Yes, children, very good. It is ureter. So ureter are the tube-like structures which are present on both the kidneys, which open or which pours urine into bladder. It is ureter. Okay, ureter is the correct answer. Very good. Next, urine is expelled from the bladder by what? Which part? That process we call it as what? Excretion, defecation, micturition, and filtration. What's the answer? What's the answer, children? It is? It's not 1. Yeah, it's not 4. Oh yes, Bhavani has given the correct answer. Avinash, it's not 2. It's not 2. Amulya has given the correct answer. Anthony has given, yes, Vardhan. Very good, children. It is the micturition. Okay, micturition is the correct answer. Next, all the following are the principal solutes of urine except. So this is a major filtrate in the urine except what? Urea, creatinine, glycogen, uric acid. Odd one out. You can go for odd one out in this question. Yes, answers, children? Yes, very good. Shivani has given the correct answer. Yes, Shiva has given the correct answer. Vardhan, Rakesh, Malesh, it's not 2. It's 3, children. Glycogen. What is glycogen? You know, the extra glucose or the amount of, if we are having a lot of food, then glucose will be converted to glycogen. So that glycogen will be stored internally in the liver. And whenever we are in requirement of energy, if you are starving for many days, if you are not taking food for 1 day or 2 days, then what happens? This glycogen again will be converted to glucose. Okay, so this is done by glucagon. Glucagon is a hormone. Actually, insulin will be controlling glucose levels in the body. You know that. Okay. Then if you are not taking food for some days, then the stored energy in the form of glycogen will be again converted to glucose. So that is done by glucagon hormone. Okay. So you can go for odd one out, that is glycogen. Okay. Next. Which of the following hormones increase reabsorption in the collecting duct? This was repeated. Repeated question it is. Only one hormone, we know that. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very good. It is children vasopressin. Children, any question comes from the excretory system regarding hormone, blindly you can keep vasopressin because only one hormone is regulating all the urine secretion, absorption, everything, which is concerned with the excretion process. It is vasopressin. Okay, so vasopressin is a answer. So this vasopressin is secreted by pituitary gland. So pituitary gland, which is present in the midbrain of human, actually, that secretes vasopressin. You may also get that question. Pituitary gland will secrete, which is the endocrine gland, which secretes vasopressin hormone. Okay? Yes. Next question. The primary function of this ascending loop of Henle in the kidney. What is the function of the ascending loop of Henle in the kidney? Loop of Henle. Active reabsorption of sodium, active absorption of chloride ions, passive absorption, reabsorption of potassium, passive reabsorption of urea. So this is given in your textbook, children. Please refer your textbook to answer. Yes, it is option Ria. No, it is not 4. No, it's not 4. Nana. Avinash has given the correct answer. Yes, Amulya, it's not 3, dear. It is 1. It is 1, children. 1 is the correct answer. Okay, it is active reabsorption of sodium. See, sodium is a major excretory ion which have to be eliminated from the blood circulation. So that is done by this ascending loop of Henle in the kidney. That is in the nephron actually. It should be nephron. Okay. So it is, children, active absorption of sodium is the correct answer. Next, the tube that discharges urine from the body is. The tube, what is a part of the excretory system which ejects urine out of the body? Collecting duct, urethra, bladder. What's the answer? The direct question. Yes, Shivani, Ria, Bhavani, Sai Teja, Avinash, Rakesh, Anthony. Very good, children. Very good. It is urethra. Urethra is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Nice. Then, which of the following would tend to increase urine production? So why we will be like the more urine formation will be happening because of what? Increased activity levels, increased body temperature, decreased water consumption, increased water consumption. So when we take what? Urine formation will be more. It's a direct logical question you can take. Shiva, Sunny, Avinash, yes, Amulya, Anthony, Jessica. Very good, children. Very good. Nice. When water intake is more, so water should be reabsorbed. So water is a solvent, it is a universal solvent which carries all the ions. So even when water consumption is more, then urine formation will be more in the body. Okay. So it is increased water consumption. Option 4 is the correct answer. Then primary urine is equal to blood in chemical composition except the presence of what? This is regarding the composition of urine. Primary urine which is formed in the PCT, that is primary filtrate which is formed in the PCT, is very equal to blood composition, but which is lacking what? That is what? Blood cells, plasma cells, water, urea. It is? Yeah, very good. Very good. Anthony has given the correct answer. It's not Khalifa, it's not 4. Avinash has given the correct answer. It's not 4, Nana. It's not 4. Shiva has given the correct answer. Chintu has given the correct answer. It is blood cells. They lack blood cells. They lack blood cells. Okay? Yes. The part of renal tubule that maintains a proper concentration and pH of urine. Which part of renal tubule? You know what are renal tubule? There are 3 parts: PCT, loop of Henle, and DCT. Among this, which will be maintaining the concentration and pH of urine? PCT, loop of Henle, distal columnar tubule, and collecting duct. It is, children, where the urine secretion takes place. That is the answer. Yes, very good. DCT. Don't give me multiple options. You should give the correct answer. Yes, Avinash. Yes, very good. Sai Vardhan. Very good. It is, children, 3. 3 is the correct answer. Okay, very good. 3 is the correct answer. Nice. Nice. Next question. We'll move to the next question. Ultrafiltration of blood occurs in. Where do ultrafiltration? Means complete reabsorption and the formation of urine will be happening, or secretion of urine will be happening in which part of nephron? Glomerulus, pelvis, proximal convoluted tubule, and loop of Henle. Or where actually that will be happening? Ultrafiltration will be happening where? It is the first part. What is that, children? Glomerulus. Glomerulus is the correct answer. Okay, then we'll move to the next question. Sorry, the answer is given. Tubular secretion ensures removal of all the waste products from blood, like all the above, children: urea, uric acid, creatinine, and all the ions, which are all the metabolic waste. They have to be removed from the blood circulation. Okay, next question. Concentration of urine in the collecting tube or the duct takes place in the presence of, again, only one hormone we have. What is that? Vasopressin. As I told you, whatever the question comes, it is vasopressin. Blindly, you can keep vasopressin. There is no other hormone regulating urine concentration or urine secretion, children. In human body, only one hormone, that is vasopressin. Even I told you the secretion, which gland secretes or that. Okay. So any question comes from the hormone part of excretory system, you have to do. Okay. Very important, children. Many times asked in the exams, competitive exams. Then the storage capacity of bladder is how much? I was telling you this when we were discussing the concept. 300 to 700, 300 to 800, 400 to 700, 300 to 600 ml. It is a direct question again. Children, it is? What's the answer, Nana? Yes. Yes, it is 2, children. 300 to 800 ml. Okay, it is 300 to 800 ml. Very good. It is 2. Okay. Then the total amount of urine excreted per day is how much? How much amount of urine is excreted daily? We could able to, like the complete filtrate will be 18 liters. Out of 18 liters, how much we are excreting out? Answer, children? Very good. 2. It is 2. 3.6 to, sorry, 1.6 to 1.8. So not 1.6 to 1.8. It is 2, option 2. Then in dialyzing fluid, these substances are absent. What are absent in the dialyzing fluid? So that dialyzing fluid will remove the nitrogenous waste from the blood circulation. Okay. What are not present in the dialyzing fluid? Nitrogenous waste, salts, sugars, and proteins. These are completely absent. It is nitrogenous waste. They are not present. Okay. It is nitrogenous waste. Yes. Yes. Most of you have given the correct answer. Very good. Next question. Flame cells are the excretory organs in which of the organisms? Annelids, arthropods, platyhelminthes, molluscans, echinoderms. All these are the phyla in the animal kingdom. Okay. It is the third phyla, children, platyhelminthes. They have flattened body. So these organisms have flame cells. One tabular form is given in your textbook. Be thorough with that. Many questions will be asked from the tabular form. So it is platyhelminthes. Okay, children. So with this, we have done few questions from the concept. Okay. I hope you have understood and you could able to do any question comes from the concept in your exam. Okay. Very good, children. Yes, you have given. Very good. Nice. Yes, children. Thank you. Yes. Chandrika ma'am, you can take over. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Arun sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
So students, here are the toppers. Top 10 students who have scored staggering marks out of 100. Let me mention the name, students. At 10th position stands Avinash from Narayanpet, scoring 82 out of 100. Sai Charan scoring 83 out of 100 at 9th position. 8th, Vanotriya, 86 out of 100. Pavan Sai, 87 out of 100. Bhanu Teja, 89 out of 100. G. Karthik, 96 out of 100. Akshaya, 96 out of 100. Rahul Krish, 97 out of 100. M. Manohar, 98 out of 100. And Shravanya, 99 out of 100. Staggering 99 students. Excellent performance, students. Ilane continue cheyandi. రేపు కూడా రాయండి. ఎవరెవరు మిస్ చేశారో వేరే టెస్ట్ అది కూడా రాసేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంకా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏంటంటే కెరియర్ గైడెన్స్ సెషన్ గురించి మీరు రిజిస్టర్ చేయలేదంటే చేసుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్. సూన్ మీకు టైమింగ్స్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాము. ఈవినింగ్ లోనే ఉంటుంది, మీకు కన్వీనియంట్ టైమింగ్స్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. We'll inform you soon about the career guidance session 1. Don't miss it. Register చేయని వాళ్ళు చేసుకోండి, register చేసుకోండి. And tomorrow we'll have class as usual at 7:30 p.m. Thank you so much and good night.